Hey DIY enthusiasts and Halloween lovers, are you ready to turn your home into a spooky, fun-filled haunted house without breaking the bank? Stick around because today we're diving into some super easy, kid-friendly DIY Halloween decorations that will spark your creativity and bring your Halloween decor game to the next level. Trust me, you won't want to miss these budget-friendly tricks and treats. Before diving in, we want to welcome you to our channel Decorants, where we share home improvement ideas that will make your living space more beautiful and comfortable. What are some easy DIY Halloween decorations that are kid-friendly too? Let's kick things off with some fun and easy DIY Halloween decorations that are perfect for kids. Whether you're decorating with your little ones or getting ready for a family-friendly Halloween party, these ideas will bring out everyone's creativity. Ghost garland. Gather some white tissues, string, and black markers. Wrap the tissues around small balls, like cotton or paper. Tie them with the string to create ghost heads and draw spooky faces with markers. Hang them up to add a touch of playful spookiness to your space. This project is simple and fun for kids of all ages. Looking for more Halloween inspiration? Check out our other videos on pumpkin decorating and Halloween decor ideas. Links are in the description. Pumpkin paper plates. All you need are orange paper plates, green construction paper, and some markers. Let the kids draw faces on the plates, cut out green stems from the construction paper, and glue them on top. These adorable pumpkins can be hung on walls or doors. It's a great way for kids to express their creativity. Friendly mummies. Using toilet paper rolls, wrap them with white crepe paper or toilet paper, leaving space for eyes. Add googly eyes or draw them on, and you've got a cute little mummy ready to join your Halloween decor. This activity is perfect for a quick and easy craft session. Bat silhouettes. Cut out bat shapes from black construction paper and tape them to your windows. Let the kids have fun arranging them in different patterns. These bats look great against the light and add a spooky touch to any room. Plus, they're easy to make and clean up. What materials do I need for DIY Halloween decorations? Next up, let's talk about the materials you'll need to bring these DIY decorations to life. You don't need to spend a fortune. Most of these items are probably already in your home. Check the description for links to buy these supplies easily online. Basic supplies. Stock up on scissors, glue, markers, and construction paper. These are essential for almost any DIY project. Make sure to have these basics handy to avoid interruptions while crafting. Having a well-stocked supply kit ensures a smooth crafting experience. Craft items. Tissues, paper plates, crepe paper, and string are versatile materials that can be transformed into various decorations. These items are affordable and can be found at any craft store. They are perfect for a variety of spooky projects. Household items. Repurposed toilet paper rolls, old sheets, and cardboard boxes for some creative and eco-friendly decor. Using what you already have at home is a great way to save money and reduce waste. These materials are not only budget-friendly, but also add a unique touch to your decorations. Paint and brushes. A variety of paint colors and brushes can be used to add details and bring your decorations to life. Having a good set of paints allows for more creative freedom and customization. Experiment with different painting techniques for a unique look. Don't forget to check out the description for a must-buy DIY Halloween product on Amazon that will make your decorations even more amazing. How can I make my Halloween decorations unique and spooky? Now, let's elevate your Halloween game with some unique and spooky decoration ideas that will wow your guests and trick-or-treaters. These ideas will bring an eerie ambiance to your home and make your Halloween unforgettable. Creepy candles. Create eerie candles by draping them with melted wax from a red candle to mimic dripping blood. Use LED candles for safety, especially around kids. This adds a realistic and haunting touch to your decor. Arrange them in clusters for an even spookier effect. Floating witch hats. Hang black witch hats from the ceiling using transparent fishing line to give the illusion that they're floating. Add a few LED tea lights inside for a magical glow. These hats will amaze your guests and create a mystical atmosphere. Position them at different heights for added drama. If you enjoyed these DIY Halloween decoration ideas, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Spiderweb tablecloth. Use black yarn to create a large spiderweb on your dining table. Place a few plastic spiders on it to complete the spooky effect. This centerpiece is sure to be a conversation starter at your Halloween party. Add some fake cobwebs for an extra creepy touch. Haunted mirror. Place a black and white photo behind a mirror and add some cobwebs around the frame. The ghostly reflection will give your guests a chilling surprise. This simple trick can turn any mirror into a haunted one. Enhance the effect with dim lighting nearby. What are some inexpensive DIY Halloween decorations on a budget? Halloween decorations don't have to break the bank. Here are some inexpensive DIY ideas to keep your spooky season budget-friendly. These creative solutions will help you achieve a haunted house look without overspending. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below with your favorite Halloween decoration idea or share your own creative projects. Trash bag spiderwebs. Cut black trash bags into spiderweb shapes and tape them to your windows or walls. It's a super affordable way to add a creepy touch to your home. This project is great for large spaces that need a quick and dramatic transformation. Plus, it's easy to clean up afterward. Bottle ghosts. Use empty plastic bottles, cover them with white fabric or tissues, and draw spooky faces with a marker. These ghosts are perfect for indoor and outdoor decor. They're easy to make and can be reused year after year. Hang them from trees or place them on porches for a spooky effect. Egg carton bats. Cut out bat shapes from egg cartons, paint them black and add googly eyes. String them up or scatter them around for a fun, low-cost decoration. This is a fantastic way to recycle materials and get creative. You can also create different bat sizes for variety. Want even more DIY fun? Click on the playlist link in the description to explore all our Halloween crafts and decor ideas. Cardboard tombstones. Cut tombstone shapes from cardboard boxes, paint them gray, and write funny or spooky epitaphs. Place them in your yard to create a mini graveyard. This decoration is both budget-friendly and impressive. Add some LED lights to highlight the tombstones at night. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips to take your DIY Halloween decorations to the next level. These tricks will ensure your spooky creations stand out and impress everyone who sees them. Use glow-in-the-dark paint. Adding glow-in-the-dark paint to your decorations can create an eerie effect when the lights go out. Highlight the eyes of your ghost garland or the teeth of your pumpkin plates for an extra spooky touch. Incorporate natural elements. Gather some dried leaves, twigs, and pine cones from your yard to add a rustic, haunted forest vibe to your decor. Use them to enhance your bat silhouettes or as additional elements around your friendly mummies. Want even more DIY fun? Click on the playlist link in the description to explore all our Halloween crafts and decor ideas. Create layers of lighting. Use a combination of string lights, LED candles, and fairy lights to create a layered lighting effect. This will add depth and an atmospheric glow to your decorations, making them more dynamic and eye-catching. Create fog effects. Use a small fog machine or dry ice to add an extra spooky atmosphere to your decorations. Place it near your spiderweb tablecloth or haunted mirror to create an eerie mist that will wow your guests. Interactive elements. Add motion-activated elements like sound machines or animatronic decorations. Imagine a ghost garland that laughs or a friendly mummy that makes spooky noises when someone walks by. Use fabric and textures. Incorporate different fabrics like burlap, lace, or cheesecloth into your decorations. For example, drape cheesecloth over your floating witch hats, or wrap it around your bottle ghosts to give them a more authentic, spooky appearance. Don't forget to check out the description for a must-buy DIY Halloween product on Amazon that will make your decorations even more amazing. Upside-down decorations. Hang some of your decorations upside down for a disorienting and creepy effect. Upside-down bats, for instance, can make your windows look like a true haunted house. Edible decorations. Incorporate edible elements into your decor for a fun twist. Make candy-filled ghost garlands or edible spiderwebs using cotton candy. This adds a tasty surprise to your spooky setup. These easy, kid-friendly, and budget-conscious DIY Halloween decorations are sure to make your home the spookiest on the block. Get creative, have fun with your kids, and enjoy the Halloween spirit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome DIY ideas. Happy Halloween crafting!